two surfaces pi 1, pi 2 are orthogonal. Orthogonal means perpendicular. They are perpendicular if dot product of del pi 1, del pi 2 0. If dot product del pi 1, del pi 2 0, then we say that surfaces pi 1, pi 2 are orthogonal. Orthogonal anna perpendicular anna 90 degrees anna okate. Okay. So now based question, find values of a comma b so that surfaces ax square minus byz ax square minus byz is equal to a plus 2 into x and 4x square y plus z cube is equal to 4 may intersect orthogonally at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Okay, find the values of a comma b so that the surfaces ax square minus byz equal to a plus 2 into x and 4x square plus z cube equal to 4 may intersect orthogonally. That means by this node point simply you got idea that you have to do del pi 1 and del pi 2, their dot product is 0. Using this dot product is 0, you have to find the AB values. Okay. So now solution what I'm doing is surfaces. What are the surfaces? Ax square minus byz is equal to a plus 2 into x. So take left side, ax square minus byz minus a plus 2 into x equal to 0. Okay. So now second, what is there? 4x square y plus z cube is equal to 4. Take left side, 4x square y plus z cube minus 4 is equal to 0. So these are the two surfaces. Whenever surface is given like a equation, you take all left side. Anta left side తీసుకొని పెట్టుకోవాలి. So next let pi 1 equal to ax square minus byz minus a plus 2 into x. This is a pi 1. So now what is the dou pi 1 by dou x? Dou pi 1 by dou x equal to what is that? Partial with respect to x. Partial with respect to what is value? 2ax. Yz constant 0, x differentiation 1 minus a plus 2. Okay. Next, dou pi 1 by dou y. Partially with respect to y. Ax square constant 0, a plus 2x is constant 0, y here, y differentiation 1. Wait a minute, one joining. Ax square constant 0, a plus 2x is a constant 0, y differentiation 1. What is that value? Minus bz. Next, dou pi 1 by dou z. So what is the dou pi 1 by dou z? Partially with respect to z, ax square constant 0, a plus 2x constant 0, z differentiation 1 minus by. Okay. So now we got dou pi 1 by dou x, dou pi 1 by dou y, dou pi 1 by dou z. So next, del pi 1. What is del pi 1 formula? I into dou pi 1 by dou x. Next, j into dou pi 1 by dou y. Next, k into dou pi 1 by dou z. Okay. So now I into what is dou pi 1 by dou x? Just now you are calculated 2ax minus a plus 2. 2ax minus a plus 2. Next, j into what is dou pi 1 by dou y? Dou pi 1 by dou y minus bz. Minus bz. ఇది లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్, సో ఓపికగా చేయాలి. dou pi 1 by dou z. What is the dou pi 1 by dou z? Minus by. Minus by. So now this you got del pi 1. Del pi 1 at the point, given point. What is the question given? Point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. The point I'm here highlighting here. 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Substitute the value, what will get? I into 2a into 1 minus a minus 2, j plus j into minus b into what is that value? 2, k into minus b into what is the y value? Minus 1. So therefore what is value? I into 2a minus a. 2a minus a, how much? A. This 2a minus a, how much? A minus 2 plus what is this value? J into minus 2b, okay, k into what is value? Plus b, okay. So this is a del pi 1. You got which value? Del pi 1 you got. Same way we have to find the del pi 2. Okay, let pi 2 is equal to, see what you given pi 2 second surface, 4x square y z cube minus 4. 4x square y z cube minus 4. I'll check it. 4x square y plus z cube minus 4. So now you got pi 2 value. Now you do dou pi 2 by dou x. What is dou pi 2 by dou x? X square differentiation 2x. 4 into 2x into y. Partially with respect to x, z constant 0. So what is value? 8xy. Next, dou pi 2 by dou y. So what is the dou pi 2 by dou y? Partially with respect to y. Y differentiation 1, 4x square. Z constant 0, 4 constant 0. Next, dou pi 2 by dou z. Partially with respect to z, x square constant, its value 0. Z cube is 3z square. Constant, its value 0. So now, del pi 2. What is del pi 2 formula? I into dou pi 2 by dou x, j into dou pi 2 by dou y plus k into dou pi 2 by dou z. Okay. Sorry. So now in the next page, I will substitute that value. Del pi 2 is equal to I into what is dou pi 2 by dou x? Dou pi 2 by dou x 8xy. 8xy plus j into what is dou pi 2 by dou y? Dou pi 2 by dou y 4x square. 4x square. Next, k into dou pi 2 by dou z. What is dou pi 2 by dou z? 3z square. Here, everyone observe here, 3z square. So 3z square. You find del pi 2 at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 given question. So I into 8 into 1 into y value minus 1. Next, j into 4 into x value 1 square. Okay, 4x square means 4 1 square. Wait a minute. So now 4 1 square k into 3 into 2 z value. So now what is value? 8 into minus 8 j into 4 k into 2 square 4 4 3 is 12. So del pi 2. Okay, pi 1 pi 2 according to question, pi 1 pi 2 are orthogonal. Pi 1 pi 2 are orthogonal, which implies what I said, pi 1 pi 2 are orthogonal means del pi 1 dot del pi 2 is equal to 0. Dot product is 0. So now when you come to dot product, first one, what is del pi 1? Del pi 1, what you got here? I into a minus 2. I into, we do one thing, I into a minus 2. Next j into plus j into minus 2b. Next k into, what is k into value? B. So k into b dot product del pi 1. We check it, I into a minus 2, j into minus 2b, k into b. Next del pi 2. Del pi 2 just now you got. What is value? I into minus 8, j into 4 plus k into 12. Okay. Now we do its dot product. Wait a minute. 12. Okay. So now it's a dot product. Manohar added now. Here multiply I dot I components, a minus 2 into minus 8. Next j components, minus 2b is equal to 0. Dot product is 0. Minus 2b into 4. Next next what is that? K component, b into 12 is equal to 0. So now multiply it, what will get? Minus 8a plus 16 minus 8b, 4 to the 8, 8b plus 12b, 12b is equal to 0. Check it, minus 8a plus 16 minus 8b plus 12b. So minus 8a minus 8b plus 12b, how much? 4b. 4b plus 16 is equal to 0. Take minus common. If you take minus common, 8a minus 4b, 8a minus 4b minus 16 equal to 0. Can we take 4 also common? Wait a minute. And the problem is at the end. Take minus 4 common. 2a minus b minus 4 is equal to 0. Check it. Minus 4 to the minus 8, minus into minus plus 4b, minus into minus plus 4 4 the 16. So what is this value? 2a minus b minus 4 equal to 0. That is 2a minus b equal to 4. You got one equation in AB. We need one more equation. So when you do dot product, you got one equation. AB equation is involving A and B. That means we need one more equation. How we will get one more equation means, see the question. This two surfaces intersect at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. That means these two surfaces, for example, first one is this pi 1, second one is some pi 2. These two are intersecting this some point P. This is some point P. They are intersecting means this surface satisfies this point also. The surface satisfies the point also means when you substitute this point in the surface, you will get one equation. These two are intersecting at the point P means the surface is passing through this point. That means we can substitute the point is in the surface, that will satisfy obviously. So now surface, the second equation, ax square minus byz. Second, a surface ax square minus byz equation is equal to surface a plus 2 into x surface satisfies the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Why satisfy means they are intersected. Intersected means the surface is passing through that point. Okay. So now a into 1 square minus b into minus 1 into 2 is equal to a plus 2 into x value 1. So what you got, a plus minus into minus plus 2b is equal to a plus 2. So now this a gets subtracted. Okay, a gets subtracted. What you got, 2b equal to 2, b equal to what you got, 1. So you got b equal to 1. So now just now we got one equation 1. What is that? 2a minus b equal to 4. So 1 implies 2a minus b is equal to 4. So 2a in minus, what is the b value? 1 is equal to 4. So 2a is equal to 4 plus 1. So 2a is equal to 5. A is equal to how much? 5 by 2. Therefore, when the two surfaces are intersected, the answer is a value 5 by 2, b value 1. So is our required answer.